I'm going to show you how to add songs to a playlist on your Apple Music. So let's go to our Apple Music. And as you see at the basically homepage of the library, you have all your things here. And as you see, I have playlists and I have a bunch of playlists that I have here. So let's go ahead and add a song. So what I like to do is under your recently added, and we'll go through our songs as well just to pick a random song. So I'm just going to pick a song under my recently added here. And what you want to do is once you find the song that you want to add, you're going to find that there's three dots on the far right side, and you want to click that button, and then you're going to have an add to playlist option here. So go ahead and click that. And I'm just going to add this song because this will show you all of your playlists that you currently have. So I'm just going to pick Disney songs. And you'll get a slight notification that says one song added. So we can go back and check. Go back to your playlists and then go down to that playlist that you added the song, and that song should be there at the very bottom of the list. And as you see, it's right there. What we can also do is if you aren't in your recently added areas, you can just go to your songs in general, and this is going to show all of the songs that you currently have on your Apple Music account, and we can add a song from here to a playlist as well. So let's go ahead and I'm just going to choose this Luke Combs song. And as you see, it has the three same dots. So go ahead and hit those three dots. And you're going to get the same options here as well. So go ahead and hit add to playlist. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this to a pop playlist here. And you'll get that same pop-up notification. And we can go back to that playlist and we can go ahead and check pop. And that should be at the very bottom of this list. And there it is. So that's it. It's super simple and super easy to add songs to an existing playlist on your Apple Music.